slower to
It
chase.
keeps splintering off and then... Beautiful. Wow. Ooh. Pretty colors. Ooh.
That was freaking, it was like purple on my screen.
Fuck me in the ass, Mother Nature. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Neglect that request to be fucked in the butt by Mother Nature. Disregard. That's a negatory. Wow. If it would just happen a little bit faster, it'd be like sustained daylight. This shit happens all the time in other parts of the world, but like never here. I haven't seen this in a long time. Have you?
Really?
Not like I've seen lightning.
Couple years.
I'm not an idiot. I
It's
just
been like this. Couple years I haven't seen
No,
this.
I've never seen. I'm always looking at the sky. Like I don't think I've ever seen this in a while. Not ever, but like just lightning with no thunder or rain. Look at this. It's like
It's
silent.
heat light because it's one of the hottest days.
I know. I'm just saying. I haven't seen it last this long.